Good morning. Kenya. Georgia.
Here.
Good morning. Good morning. Yearling. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my computer went out on me. My laptop school issued computer went out on me 2 days ago. Actually yesterday, I'm sorry, Monday. So I have a loaner computer, and right now our IT department does not have all my workout and stuff hooked up to this computer yet. So with that said, with that said, what we have today is put down the computers, get outside, enjoy the nice weather before 4th block. And then I will see you guys on Thursday. Any questions for me? All right, get away from the computers for a while, go get some fresh air, and enjoy the day. Hope you all have a good day. See you on Thursday. Have a good one. Yearlin, I got you. Thank you.